Hi, it's Lisa from Cadiant Sacramento's Mock Preschool, and I'm here with another fun sensory activity you can do with your kids. For this activity, you're going to need ideally gallon-sized Ziploc bags, but you can use whatever you have really. Some sort of gel or shaving cream would work, even shaving gel. So you can get creative with this if you don't have gel on hand. And even if it's not clear, that's fine. You can use whatever color. And then if you do want to change the color of your the substance you put in your bag, you can use some food coloring. And then you're also going to want some sort of tape to tape the Ziploc bag shut at the end. To transfer our gel into the bags, I'm going to just use a regular scooper. I have a 1/4 cup scoop. You can really use any size that you'd like, and this is a good opportunity for your kids to do measuring, the scooping and transferring, taking turns. All this stuff is really fun for the kids, and it's a great opportunity to practice these skills with them. So first you just open up your bag, and then you're going to start scooping in your gel, shaving cream, whatever it is that you have found to get gooey in your bag here. So this is a good opportunity to have your kids count. So we did 1, 2, 3. I think the size of this bag, I'll probably do 4 scoops. That's about 1 cup for a gallon-sized bag. And then the next step is going to be to use our food coloring. I got the gel because it's much less messy. If you have, you can use any regular food coloring though. It doesn't really matter what kind it is. I got these cool bold colors for my kids. This is a great opportunity to talk about colors. What else is purple? What happens when you mix the pink and the orange together? What happens when you mix the green and the orange together? This is a fun opportunity to do some color mixing and talk about color identification and things like that. The thing that we've noticed with this is the darker the color you get, the better this works when you're actually using the bag to do tracing work. So this is another opportunity. You can count how many drops. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 of our pink, and then I think we'll mix it with the orange and see what color we get. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 of the orange. And then we're going to close it now, but we're not going to seal it shut with our tape yet because we want to make sure we get our color right and we get it dark enough. And this is the funnest part for the kids. They get to mix it up and it feels so cool and squishy. This is a really cool color that we came up with. I'm kind of doing it a little quicker, but encourage your kids to take time with this part and really see how the colors change as you're squishing them. I think we might add a little bit more food coloring to this to get it a little bit darker of a color. We'll add some more pink to this one. Oh my gosh. So I added a bunch of pink to get it a darker color. And the mixing really is the funnest part of it. Feels so cool. If you have glitter at home, you can totally add glitter or any confetti you might have left over from a birthday party. You can get really creative with that, with these sensory bags as well. I think that's a pretty good color. It's kind of a, I don't know, like a rose